Hello everyone, good evening, good evening. This is just a quick little video. Um, yes, we are coming to the end of July and we're still enjoying the beautiful nature of the green just out here at my workplace, and there are some beautiful green here, some green with some beautiful flowers. Some green beautiful flowers. Wishing you all a wonderful day, a wonderful happy Sunday. Today is Sunday but I'm at work. I am at work. Look at these beautiful purple flowers. They look so amazing. So beautiful, 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 beautiful. Nature, nature, nature. Let's enjoy it. Soon it'll be all cold. We won't see all these beautiful flowers. We want to see all these beautiful flowers. Look at this beautiful rose. Look at this beautiful rose. Looks so beautiful, beautiful. Look at this one. Beautiful, beautiful. What everyone is up to today. Hope you're not having maybe a barbecue, having family around, enjoying yourself, having a rest. Those beautiful flowers. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty. Look at these. That's so beautiful. 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 Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at these beautiful flowers. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the green and the flowers. Wow, there's some more beautiful flowers here. Wow, so pretty. So pretty, pretty. Pretty like you all. We are just like the flower, eh? Beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. They are so nice. So nice, so nice. Flowers that you can just pick and just put on your table. Just bring a smile when we see flowers. Yeah, I'm sure it does. It brings a smile and just thinking, oh, someone loves me. Someone loves me and they just bought me some beautiful flowers. Yes. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at these big green leaves here. Wow. They look beautiful. Look at another one here. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful trees. Some beautiful trees. Lovely, lovely, lovely trees. Look how tall those trees are. Wow. Just imagine cutting these trees, eh? Oh, I don't know who can cut them. But we got surrounded with some beautiful trees. Give it a breeze, make you feel cool during the summertime. It's important to have plants around us. Just very good for the environment, for us. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And the sky, look at the sky. Isn't it look so amazing? So amazing. so amazing. So have a good day, everyone. Enjoy the day. Bye.